So we'll move on with our case here and put these rivet caps in place. As you can see, everything's lined up. Got our setter. Go ahead and knock those into place. And I could feel that one went in a little bit squirrely. So as you can see, that it's a little sideways, a little cockeyed. And I'm going to take a minute to show you exactly how you can fix this problem. First thing we're going to do is get a drill bit. And the drill bit you want is just slightly bigger than that inside hole for that rivet. Line that up. Get it nice and straight. Just hit the drill a couple times real light, and it'll cut that bottom cap right off there. Flip the project back over, and now you can go ahead and pull that rivet right back out without damaging the leather. Comes apart very simply. We'll grab a new back, slide that in place, push everything down, get our metal bar, get ourselves a new cap, slip it on there, grab the setter again, a couple quick taps, and that's much better. Perfect. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.